Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the device has enough charge and a stable Wi-Fi link because updates may download. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Talkback. This is where the feature toggles live. Once Talkback is active, use two-finger scrolling to navigate menus. This prevents accidental selections. You're doing this now so you can access both the basic toggle and the service settings, which you'll need for deeper fixes, such as resetting preferences or updating the component. Once you've located Talkback in Accessibility, turn it off and open App Info to force stop the app. This clears hung processes. Next, clear the cache and, if persistent errors remain, clear storage. Note that clearing storage resets Talkback settings. Then go to the Play Store or System Updates to install the latest Accessibility or Talkback package, because many faults stem from outdated binaries. Make sure to reboot after updates so the new files load cleanly and the service restarts without conflicts. Now re-enable Talkback and run through core gestures. Swipe right, swipe left, two-finger scroll to confirm responsiveness. If issues persist, reset accessibility preferences to restore default bindings, which often resolves remapped or broken gestures. Should none of this help, back up your user settings and consider a factory reset as a last resort. This eliminates deep configuration corruption. If you still have problems afterward, one key troubleshooting tip: check for third-party apps that modify
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.